To sirimo wadziwa nditu Mr. Khad. Mr. Khad. Amene wawa nditu angofika kuti owa ndi akumpoto. Vitumbiko Mumba ndi wakumpoto. Koma iwo akuti Vitumbiko Mumba akuwachititsa manyazi anthu akumpoto chifukwa Vitumbiko Mumba azisiye zinthuzi basi, azisiye zipite aluza. Ndi zambiri yankhula okha ine sindifuna ike maonkama.
So apa mkumba kuyoya na huyu Mumba we. Akulu Mumba, brother, I think you need to let go. I want you to let go. You're making a fool of us Northerners, all of us, because you have lost elections, fair and square. Mwaluza to my elections, yo. Chimene mufuna nyina ndijani. Anakupasani mpata chakwera wanuyo. Kaya muma musungira ndalama, kama mpangira business. Koma ife zimene sizi kutikuta. Amalawi asankha Peter Mutharika kuti akhale president wawo. My elections awawa palibe zokuti kukhala rerun. Kapitani ku court ngati mukufila aggrieved. Go to court like what you did last time. Kuti mukhale mboma. But as it stands now, Malawians have made a decision. Decision yake ndi akuti Peter Mutharika and the president. Iweyo ndi gulu lako, pack up and leave. Pack up and leave. Chakwera wawoyo, family yake, atengane, apite kumena manga zinyumba zawo zabwino, akakhale kumeneko. Azidikilira milandu ya kupha kwa Saulos Chilima. Iweyo zidikilira milandu yako ya mapasipoti, oil zimene unapanga zicha. Because nosenu mukupita kundende. Nthawi ino achimwene, omuzara, taona kukaya ise, wena mpoto. Let me tell you this, bro. Nthawi inasita kwambiri. Pakali panopa, sunga mabwele pa podium iweyo. Ndikumane na audit pange audit, data audit. You want to audit data, fine. But didn't the opposition parties come to you prior to elections and asked you if we could audit the machines? And what did you say? Munakana. Because you had it, the delusions that you have, the things that you were told, because muma munamiza chakwera ni president mods upanda nzelu, ndemu mapita kwa mfotokozera kuti bwana tiwina ma elections wa machine watu kutua mena ma indisela timenya landslide. You were telling him. You were fooling that man. Chakwera never read a book. That man doesn't even know anything about quantum physics. Don't know anything about psychology. He doesn't even understand who Chesari Dakem is. Deviance, political deviance, and everything. Samaziziwa. Inuyo mati ma engineer mapita kwa yeye ukanamiza. Zabo kachaji. Kagulu konse nde achina chimwendo maka munamiza mkulu cha kuti mukuidziwa strategy of winning my elections. You don't have the intelligent people around you. Actually, the most intelligent people in MCP, Munabanga push out. Because Chakwera was trying to prepare you to lead that political party. But he was also preparing you for your downfall. This is your downfall, bro. The inevitable. You cannot delay the inevitable, my brother. So get the fuck out. Okay? Leave. DPP, you have great president. Wow. Okay? You will not be there. You are not going to be a clog in this wheel. This is the wheel of change. We are not going to sit here and watch you delay the inevitability, brother. Things have changed. Jessica, she's quiet now. She made some serious utterances. Yankula wambiri. Because my brother, when the winds of change are blowing, even a young boy in the village is going to repudiate you. For real, my friend. So ukutichititsa Manyazi anthu akumpoto, because you are so delusional. I think you suffer from a serious form of dementia, delusions of grandeur. You have a psychosis that needs to be addressed by an expert. I think it's time for you to go and address it. Because the more you talk, the more you expose your inability to understand how deep this world runs, how deep Malawians hate MCP. Okay? So please shut up. Let the process go accordingly as Meg planned it. Let them announce who is the winner so that they can inaugurate Peter Mutharika, and let the DPP people run government, because they have been mandated by Malawians. In your mandate, yata. It's finished. Zainuyo zata. You are making a lot of noise. Muzane kwa MCP kwa nuwe. Feo tibu ya liza jukungwalo jujenyalo. MCP headquarters. Malo amina, that is prime land. Tibwelese po zinuzofuni gila wewe bajakosa di kakuluka anthu ma tribalist wati awungofuna umaonga Malawi. You are lucky you even tested 5 years of governance, my brother. You were not supposed to come back. And you Mumba, you really thought Kuti Malawians are stupid enough to vote you and Chakwera after he killed his own vice president? My man, how deluded can one be, bro? What's up? Shut up, man. Listen, these press statements you are issuing, they are only going to be delaying the process. But you cannot delay the inevitability, bro. Things are happening behind the scenes. People have decided. From now on, nobody will want to be associated with you. You'll be a stench that nobody wants to be around, even to breathe the same air as you, bro. Try to galvanize, save the last breath of you. Just at least save yourself. Everyone, Kachimendo Banda, Gotani, they are already realigning. They are realigning. It's only you. What are you trying to do? You see, the problem is you were given this power, and they made you believe that you are going to be the vice president, then later president of the country. And you cannot believe that dream is gone. Brother, the electoral process in Malawi works. It's functional. There are countries in this world that cannot change presidents the way Malawians do. But we do it. And you are not the first one to be removed from office. There were people, like Kilimuzi was going for the third term. Where is he now? Joyce Banda would have easily shut down the system and continued to rule. Where is she now? And who is Chakwera? Who are you? Who do you think you are? Come on, man. Inauguration is happening next week. And you guys get out of the way. Mumba, watch out. I'm giving you brotherly advice. Watch out. You have made a lot of enemies, a lot of mistakes. You are really going to Maula, bro, because you really committed violations that require prosecution, and you will be prosecuted.